There's no other bedroom sale like it.
See Siemens first.
This Friday and Saturday at Siemens, get beautiful bedroom packages for one special low price, just $5.99. Like this great 4-piece washed oak bedroom, only $5.99. This elegant bed wall with rich oak finish, just $5.99. Or this beautiful bedroom, also just $5.99. That's today and tomorrow only. 10 till 10, Siemens $5.99 special bedroom packages.
For the price that's always right, see Siemens first.
What makes the dog show great? Channel 4 goes to the experts.
Celebrities.
The powerful.
The famous.
The hijinks.
The lowdown.
Women who loved men. Who loved women.
More cute animals.
Marriage.
Affairs.
Divorces.
Reunions.
Fascinating people.
Fun people.
Real people.
Strange people.
Woo! I think that covers everything.
Ha! That doesn't begin to cover it.
We are on a roll.
Joan Rivers at 3, followed by Phil at 4 on Channel 4.
Comedian author Steve Allen is here live Monday.
Welcome back. My next guest, probably next to Lucille Ball, the most popular and memorable television comedian in the 1950s and 60s, when she co-starred with Jackie Gleason and Art Carney in The Honeymooners. Now she and Art are together again, along with Kevin Meaney and Uncle Buck, which is seen on another network. Please welcome